I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so the creation process can run. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your device's date and time are set to automatic. This prevents certificate errors. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS to the latest recommended minor release and restart the device. Firmware mismatches often block account creation. Next, sign out of any partially configured Apple ID in Settings so you start fresh. Now proceed to the account creation flow. In Settings, create Apple ID. You now complete the detailed form carefully. Enter your real name, exact birth date, and choose a strong password that meets Apple's complexity rules. This avoids validation rejections. When prompted, add a phone number you control and a recovery email distinct from the new address. Apple uses both for verification and fraud checks. If the system returns, cannot be created at this time, make network adjustments, toggle Wi-Fi, switch networks, disable VPN, and retry the creation flow because server or routing issues often cause transient failures. Finish by entering the verification codes sent to your phone and recovery email. Do this promptly since codes expire. After verification, sign into iCloud and confirm sync settings. This validates the account end-to-end. If creation still fails, check Apple system status for outages. If services are degraded, wait 15 to 30 minutes and try again. As a last resort, reset network settings on the device or contact Apple support with your device serial, the exact error message, and the timestamp so they can trace the failed attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.